everyone, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. It's been forever, so long, and let me tell you, this video was not gonna happen because I am notorious for not clearing off my memory cards, and I have two 128 gig memory cards and they were both filled, and it was gonna take 6 hours just to offload one of them. I could delete things, but that would be too easy. I don't like to make things easy on myself, you see, so I went out and bought a third one. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna regret this when that one fills up too. I need to make a goal. My 2023 goal should be to keep my memory cards fairly empty. Only keep on there what I need, because listen, there's things on there that I absolutely don't need. But you know what I'm doing right now? I'm offloading them onto my external hard drive, even though probably 50% of them are trash. That's not what you guys are here for. Today, we're gonna talk about the Noodles Nail Polish Valentine's Trio that is so stankin' cute. This is releasing on February 4th, 5 p.m. Eastern Time, and each of these polishes is gonna be priced at $10.50. I'm gonna leave a link to the website down below, and of course, these were sent to me to swatch and share with you. It makes me so happy when I get Noodles mail, honestly, because I know that there's just going to be lots and lots of colors inside the package, and that makes me happy. Let's get on to the review. I'm talking too much. And good news, the Noodles nail polish brushes are changing, so if you love a good paddle brush, you're gonna love the new one. The old one is on the right and the new brush is on the left. The first one is Heartbreaker. This is a deep gray crelly with fuchsia gold orange shifting flakes, pink hollow and metallic glitters, and a touch of silver hollow glitters. It says that it's a deep gray crelly, definitely on the deep side, because actually I thought it was black. I applied 2 coats to reach full opacity. It's got flaky, so I definitely let that first coat dry a bit before adding the second, because let me tell you, it's a world of regret when you're not patient and dealing with these chunkier flakies. Seriously, it makes me so upset when I have to start over. So I did give it some time to dry. That first coat, that is, to dry before I applied the next, and also gave it some time to dry before I applied my top coat, because again, the same issue, those big flakies just like to move around. So formula was really nice, really easy to work with. Like I said, 2 coats and needs top coat to smooth things out and to add some shine. The next one is True Love. This is the glitter topper of the collection. It's described as a clear base glitter topper with white matte mini hearts and glitters, gold metallic hollow bright pink, and magenta matte glitters. For swatching purposes, I did apply 2 coats, but personally, in the future, I'm just gonna apply 1 coat. I like that look. I like to see my nail under the glitters. I've been wearing it like this for a few years now, and there's no slowing down. At least I can't foresee it at this point. But if you like more glitter, add more glitter, add more coats if you want. I did allow that first coat to dry down a little bit longer than I typically do with these kind of glitters, only because of those larger heart glitters. Those can be a little bit tricky sometimes. So just to save myself some time and frustration, I did allow it to dry down a little bit longer before moving on to the second, but again, in the future, I would just stick to 1. I did go ahead and apply some top coat to smooth out the glitter and add some shine, and removal will be difficult because this is filled with glitter. And the last one is You Complete Me, which is described as a milky mauve sheer base with various shades of pink matte glitters. I applied 2 coats for this one. You can still make out my nail line, but I like that look. Again, I just talked about that with the glitter toppers. I have no problem seeing nail line, but if you do, highly recommend you throw on that 3rd coat. It's definitely gonna need some top coat to smooth out all those glitters and add some shine, and removal will be difficult. Alright, let's talk about my picks. It's these 2 right here. True Love, that's the glitter topper, and then You Complete Me. They just speak to me, and you're probably not surprised to hear that these are my picks. I love them so much. They make me so happy when I was swatching, and I'm definitely going to be using them again. You guys know how I feel about Noodles, so those are my picks. If you're interested in picking any of these up, they are releasing February 4th, 5 p.m. on the Noodles Nail Polish website. I'm gonna leave that in the link or in the description box down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!